Welcome to the first lesson of our Introduction to Arduino course, where we'll be discussing the definition and history of Arduino. Where did the Arduino start? Well, the story of Arduino begins in the early 2000s, when a team of students at the Interaction Design Institute Ivry in Italy were looking for a tool to help them prototype their ideas. They wanted something that was easy to use and accessible, so they decided to develop their own platform. And thus, the first Arduino board was born. Over the years, the Arduino platform has grown and evolved, attracting a massive community of users and developers who have contributed to its growth. Today, the Arduino platform is one of the most popular and widely used microcontroller platforms in the world, with hundreds of thousands of projects being built every year. And what sets Arduino apart from other microcontroller platforms is its open-source nature. This means that anyone can access the design and modify it, making it a truly community-driven platform. And because of this, the Arduino platform continues to evolve and improve, making it an ideal tool for anyone looking to get started with electronics and programming.